Ivy, the void potato, princess of darkness, heiress to the underworld, would like you all to know that her teeth and claws are coming in nicely. She very much wants to practice her tiny wrath on my fingers, so we're trying to reroute all of this wonderful attention to toys. She is finishing up her antibiotics for her upper respiratory soon, and she also is finishing her anti-worm medication. She was 310 grams when we found her and is pushing 500 today. Overall, this little void potato is doing extremely well. You best prepare yourself for her cute little reign as she ascends her throne.